Welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to study about electronic configuration and atomic structure. So firstly, what is meant by electronic configuration? So electronic configuration means the distributions of electrons in various cells of an atom is called electronic configurations. Electronic configuration means the distributions or the arrangement of electrons around the nucleus of an atom is called electronic configuration. In the electronic configuration we have various cells. Now these cells are numbered 1 2 3 4 and goes on. And they are also known as K cells, L cells, M, N, and it goes on. Example chita vachindi. So Anulu, this is the atom. This is the atomic structure, and in the middle we have a cell. We have a nucleus. In the nucleus we have protons and neutrons. And after the nucleus we have first cell, then second cell, third cell, fourth cell, and it goes on. And these first cells is also known as K cells. Second cell is also known as L cell. Third cell is also known as M cell. Fourth cell is also known as N cell, and it goes on. So any particular cells can accommodate a different electrons imade. The any accommodate example the first cells ki the electrons kadem che accommodate beu. Second cells ki kadem chi electrons the accommodate beu. Third cells ki the what is the capacity of third cells to accommodate electrons, and what is the capacity of fourth cells to accommodate electrons. So we have a formula 2n2. So this n here means the number of cells. Example, first cells K cells ki tani machandi 2 times 1 tani 1 kachibe 1 first cells imade in the first cells imade dato, so raised to 2. So second cell tani machandi 2 times second cell di L cell di kachimo 2 imade 2 raised to 2 rumi. So third cell tani machandi 2 times cell number di kachimo third cell raised to 2 goimo. The fourth cells tani machandi 2 times 4 raised to 2 goimo. For the distributions of electrons around the nucleus in an atom we have two rules. They are rule number 1 and rule number 2. So rule number 1 states that the number of electrons in any particular cell can be calculated by using the formula 2n2, where n denotes the cell number. So so n represents the ends denotes the cell number. First cell imagine the 1, second cell imagine the 2, third cell imagine the 3, fourth ki 4, 5 ki 5, fifth ki 5. Anyway, it goes on. Example tani ya ta first cells ki the carrying capacity kadem chi do ani tani ki dinlo di 2 times. So first cell imade first cells the 1 raised to 2. So ani comes down is equal to 2. So second cell tani ki dinlo di 2 times number of cells comes more 2 is the number of cells and raised to 2 gives comes more 8. Now second cell has the second cell has the capacity to accommodate 8 cells and first cells has 2. So third cell कितनी कहते बताऊं 2 times third cell 3, third cell 3 raised to 2 is पेवदालू 3 9 9 to 18 electrons. Third cells has the capacity to accommodate 18 electrons. So fourth cell की दी हम सिद्धो fourth cell की दी we have 2 times 4 fourth cell raised to 2 beodalu 4 for the 16 16 2 is 32 electrons carrying capacity to fourth cell nalu. So analu first cell has the capacity to accommodate 2 electrons, second cell has the capacity to accommodate 8 electrons, third cell has 18 electrons, fourth cell has 32 electrons तुमका and it goes on तुमका calculate the anivira bidira joni तुमका the fifth gitani bachinde fifth gitani bachinde kade byo daro 2 times 5 raised to 2 byo dalu comes theo 25 2 is 50 theo तुमका 50 होइमो so anivira beni तुमका so analu this first cell first cells, that is K cell. First cell has the capacity to accommodate 2 electrons and second cell has the capacity to accommodate 8 electrons and third cell has the capacity to accommodate 18 electrons. So fourth cell has the capacity to accommodate 32 electrons. So this is how we calculate the electron carrying capacity of each cells. So rule number 2 states that the outermost cell of an atom can accommodate maximum of 2 or 8 electrons. 2 or 8 electrons some से accommodate बेउ outermost cells के example first cells की कम ची बेउ 2 बेनु so second cells की 8 third cells की 8 होइमो so on the calcium इमदे so calcium की atomic number कम ची मो calcium की atomic number is 20. So what is the electronic configuration? 2 8 8 2 2 8 8 2. So so first cell has 2, second cell has 8, third cell has 8 and fourth cell has 2. So the outermost cell of an atom can accommodate maximum of 2 or 8 electrons samchi accommodate beulo. Rule number 1 nalu kasitai. So first cell has the capacity to hold 2, second cell has capacity to accommodate 8, the third cell has the capacity to accommodate 18 electrons imade 18 electrons carrying capacity deiba the third cell lo tale fourth cell has the carrying capacity of 32 deiba de debi udalu carrying capacity of 18 electrons so though the cell has the capacity to accommodate 18 electrons but they can accommodate only 8 electrons and rest electron is accommodated by next cells so analudi first cell has 2, second cell 8, so third cell has the capacity to accommodate 18 electrons 18 but these cells accommodate only 8 cells and rest electron is accommodated by next cells third cell has the capacity to accommodate 32 electrons first second third so third cell has the capacity to accommodate 32 electrons but third cell can accommodate only 8 electrons and rest electron is accommodated by next cells, that is n cells. Fourth cell has the capacity to accommodate 32 electrons. Though the fourth cell has the capacity to accommodate 32 electrons but fourth cell can accommodate only 8 cells and rest electron is accommodated by fifth cell and fifth cell has the capacity to accommodate 50 electrons but fifth cell can accommodate only 8 electrons and rest is accommodated by the sixth cells. This is what is stated by rule number 2. The outermost cell of an atom is called valence cell. So example analu the carbon gi atomic number comes to 6. What is the electron configuration? 2 4. That means first cells can accommodate, first cell has 2 electrons, second cell has 4 electrons. So this last outermost cell is called valence cell. So the electrons present in the valence cells are called valence electrons. So the electrons present in the outermost cell outermost cell nalo, the electrons present in the outermost cell is called valence electron. Okay, so another valence electron comes to 1 2 3 4 valence electron. So the atomic structure. So what is meant by atomic structure? The atomic structure is the arrangement of electrons, protons and neutrons in an atom. So example, this is the atomic structure of oxygen. So the atomic number of oxygen is 8. Electronic configuration is 2 6. So this 2 electron is accumulated by first cells and 6 electron is accumulated by last cells. So this outermost cell is called valence cell and the electrons present in the outermost cell is called valence electron. In the atomic structure we have a nucleus. This is nucleus. In the nucleus we have protons and neutrons. Protons is positive in charge and neutron is neutral in charge, and this blue color, blue ball are electrons. Electrons are negative in charge. So sodium ki atomic number becomes 11. So what is the electronic configuration? Electron configuration is 281. 281 is the atomic configuration of sodium. So kadam se cells ko be 1 2 3. So that means middle narodi sodium. Sodium ginana sodium. This is the sodium nucleus. So first cells strawberry. First cells. Then this is second cell here to be second cell, and we need third cells. So in the first cells we have 2 electrons. In the second cells we have 8 electrons. 2 4 6 8 electrons, and finally 1 electrons in the outermost cell. We have 1. So this is how the atomic structure is drawn. So the next example was in the next example. So the next example can be oxygen. So what is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. So electron configuration is 2 6. So cells kadam se go be 1 2 cells, 1 and 2 cells. So middle nalo the oxygen nucleus. So this is first cells, second cell. So in the first cells we have 2 electrons. Second cells we have 6 electrons. So this is how the atomic structure is drawn. So if you have any doubts, drop your doubts in the comment box. So thank you and see you in the next video.